गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us assume that another equation was given, another formula was given. Calculate the requirement of lime and soda for softening of 25,000 liters of water from the following analytical data. That means carbon, some ions are there, carbon dioxide is there, bicarbonate ions are there, calcium plus 2 ions are there, magnesium plus 2 ions are there. He is asking both lime and soda. He is asking. Then what is the equation? See, carbon dioxide. First you convert into equivalents of calcium carbonate equivalents. Okay, that strength of hardness producing substance into multiplication factor, strength of hardness producing substance into multiplication factor. You convert in all equivalents of calcium carbonate. Now lime requirement. Out of all these, what are the which ions are required? Lime 74 by 100. Carbon dioxide, yes, lime is required. Bicarbonate ions, yes, lime is required. Then magnesium ions, lime is required. Either magnesium, okay, here he has not mentioned clearly. Okay, you can assume that, okay, it may be magnesium hardness, simply you write down. Okay, this is the 50. Okay, 70 plus 135 plus 50, then volume of water, you simplify that, you are getting the lime requirement. Purity factor was not given, so chhod do. Then soda requirement. Which ions are required? The soda, yes. See, carbon dioxide, soda is not required, chhod do. Then bicarbonate ions, yes. See, here bicarbonate ions, we have to subtract here, because the excess bicarbonate ions are equals to sodium carbonate. So here calcium plus 2, soda is required, because okay, you don't know whether that is permanent or magnesium, temporary hardness or permanent hardness. So you calculate, you assume that you kept in soda also calcium plus 2, then magnesium plus 2 minus SiO3 volume of water. That means in the earlier generalized equation was given, but looking to data, you simplify the equation. That means you must know that which ions are required in lime, which ions are required only soda, and which ions are required N plus S. Over. अरे समझ में आ गया कि नहीं आ गया?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So general conclusion: calcium temporary lime is required in that calcium bicarbonate 1 mole of lime, magnesium bicarbonate 2 moles of lime. Over. Permanent calcium hardness only soda required, sodium carbonate. Magnesium permanent hardness L plus S is required. Then heavy metals L plus S, L plus S. Carbon dioxide only lime, H2S only lime. But over. If you know all these things, then you can understand which ions were given, put it in that equation. But here, what is the main thing? Here main thing is, I am saying here, see, carbon dioxide 30.8. Some students directly they are substituting these values in the equation. Yes, carbon dioxide 1 mole of lime is required. So in the equation, carbon dioxide place 30.8. They are writing no. This 30.8 should be converted in equivalents of calcium carbonate with the help of degree of hardness. What is the degree of hardness? Strength of hardness producing substance into multiplication factor. You convert it. That value you substitute here. Getting my point?
Sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
with this, lime soda requirement is completed. That means external treatment is completed. Zeolite process, ion exchange method, lime soda process. All these, along with numericals, were over. Purity factor. See, multiplication factor 100 by molecular weight. Here also 100 by the purity factor. How much it was given? You blindly you remember. See, some things. Okay, some calculations, some equations. Blindly you muck up those things. But multiplication factor means 100 by something. See, some students while calculation 84 by 100 they are doing. That is wrong. Please keep in your mind. And then tomorrow I would like to take one class in the early morning. Are you ready? At 8:30, because one class we missed as our MCQ is there. So 8:30 to 9:30, I would like to take one class. Are you ready? I would like to start. I would like to complete internal treatment. Then I would like to switch over to second unit. What is calorific value and okay, define the calorific value and explain the determination of calorific value by using bomb calorimeter. One very important topic I would like to complete. Yes. Please respond. And tomorrow, are you ready to attend the class or not?
Yes, sir.
I'm
Yes, sir.
Yes,
only
sir.
one, only two.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Please respond, everyone, man.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
please
sir.
communicate to all your friends. Tomorrow
Yes,
I would like to take one class so that, okay, that I would like to wind up the first unit. Then I would like to switching over to second unit. See, first unit is over. Hardness and its determination. Array, one more topic is there. Okay. Domestic water treatment. Screening sedimentation along with coagulation, filtration, then removal of microorganisms. Whether this topic was completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
madam has completed,
Yes,
huh?
sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Ah,
Sir.
okay. Hmm. Removal of microorganisms, simple boiling, simple by using bleaching powder, by using chlorine gas, by using chloramines, by using ultraviolet radiation, by using ozone. All this completed or not?
Yes, sir.
Then breakfast
Yes.
chlorination
Yes.
completed or not?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh? See, with
Completed.
this whole in the applied chemistry, technology of water. See, the technology of water is now at the end of this first unit. I think all the topics are. Yes, Devendra Sahu, you would like to ask? Do you have any doubt, Devendra Sahu? You raised your hand. Okay. See, what I am saying. At the end of this time, first unit, now you would be having total idea about technology of water, domestic water treatment, determination of hardness, determination of alkalinity, boiler troubles, softening of water. Over this only I said. See what I am assuring you at the end of the course, at the end of this semester, all the 4 units are on your tongue tip, on your fingertip, tongue tip. If anybody will ask, what type of topics are there in the technology of water? Yes, domestic water treatment, determination of hardness, determination of alkalinity, boiler troubles. Then after the softening of water, external treatment, internal treatment, general process, and exchange method, lime soda process, numericals, over. This I would like to, okay, maintain the, same the style. Are you happy or not? The first unit is completed. All the units are on your tongue tip or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Everybody
sir.
has to reply, please. Open your video.
Yes, sir.
Open your video. Arre,
No,
Sir,
sir.
connected to laptop, sir.
So what I am saying, all the applied chemistry units should be on your tongue tip. At midnight also, at 12 o'clock, if anybody will ask, what is caustic embrittlement? It is a phenomenon where sodium hydroxide is deposited, that part may become brittle. Then you so that. ऐसा होना चाहिए पूरा applied chemistry. Midnight, if anybody will ask, geolite process. Geolite process, the sodium ions are responsible for the exchange of hardness causing cations, over. Then again, that means that the all the technology of water, or otherwise all the applied chemistry topics should be on your tongue tip. You are not required to muck up. You are not required to read. Oh, so many hours. If you attend the class, all the topics should be on your tongue tip. So please attend my class. That I would like to conclude. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are
Yes,
you
sir.
understanding? Are you happy
Yes,
with
sir.
this subject?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sometimes I may
Yes, sir.
extend the class, but don't worry, for the sake of you only, because I cannot leave the class in between. because I cannot satisfy. See, if my class will be okay, then I would be okay. आज class हो गया, I am very happy. Or otherwise, I cannot sleep also. अरे आज वो numerical complete नहीं हुआ, वो complete नहीं हुआ. अरे this topic I could not able to cover, that point I could not able to cover. Like that, those things may be coming to my mind. Okay, that's okay. 12:49. You are required to take lunch. Then you are required to attend other classes. Thank you everyone. Just I am not taking the attendance. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is absent. Okay, why 13 is absent? See, I sent one Google link. So please, you are required to join there. IT chemistry. Okay, absentees. Rule number 3, 13. Okay, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25. 25 is absent. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 is absent. Then 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. 51, 75 is absent. Ninety is absent. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
सर कल
Thank you so
कितना
much,
जाना?
sir.
सर क्लास
Yes.
की टाइमिंग
साढ़े
बढ़ा
10
दीजिए
के बाद करते हैं,
हाँ
साढ़े
10
10 के बाद करते हैं सर।
हाँ
सर क्लास की
10:30
टाइमिंग बढ़ा
सर।
दीजिए कल 10 बजे से
थोड़ा लेट हो जाएगा।
थोड़ा लेट से
Are see why I am giving that time now. Other timings I was fully occupied. Truly I am speaking. 10 o'clock onwards, I was there. I was involved in some confidential work. I am going to institute. I thought to not to take the class, but at least okay 1 hour I would like to cover. तो आप लोग इंटरेस्टेड है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
अरे
Yes,
tomorrow
sir.
Saturday,
Yes, sir.
early and get up
Yes,
early
sir.
9,
Okay,
8:30.
sir. Yes, sir.
यस सर
Please, okay,
Yes.
sharp 8:30 I would be online.
Okay, sir.
Please try to
Okay.
attend my class.
ओके सर
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir, we will try.
Try.
Bye, sir.
सर सिलेबस ऑफ एमसीक्यू सर केमिस्ट्री का
Are time is there. Next week I will tell. Don't worry. So
Okay.
first of all, whatever the course was covered, you go through it. Actually, we would be have one departmental meeting, and then okay in other sections how much portion was covered. Then all the things should be decided. Then we come to one conclude. Like that, so many things are there. We will let you know.
Okay, sir.
Sir.
Yes, anybody would like to ask, you can ask. Any questions, any type of questions.
Excuse me, sir. So please share the PDF of geolite process in the group.
Okay. Come to video mode, Neha Gautam.